G'day Year 7s, welcome to Term 2 2020. I hope your holidays went well and I hope you enjoyed isolating with your family. It can be a stressful time, I know, living all in the house together, but I hope you guys are well and safe. This term we're going to be doing physics and science, so there's going to be quite a few experiments that you guys are going to do at home using materials you have around the house. So please ensure you guys are getting involved, having a go at the experiments, and remember in science, it's okay to fail at the experiment. Just make sure you learn from your mistakes and redo it again until you've got it down pat and you've got some reliable and valid data to continue with. So I wanted to quickly post another video so I can just show you guys how the information is going to be provided to you. So we're going to be using Connect. All the information is going to come through notices and uploaded to the content section. So you'll get a notice once a week and then you'll get some content uploaded, which will give you an outline of what you need to complete and the resources you'll need to complete it. So one thing you'll definitely need is your access to Science by Doing. But let's go through the documents so you guys have got a handle on what you require. Please ensure you use a discussion forum, which I'm going to show you guys how to utilize to post any questions that you have, and feel free to answer any of your peers' questions, or I can come through and answer those questions as well. And we'll keep that as a rolling discussion that we can all utilize and get some value out of. All right, so term 2, 2020, let's do it.